remember. He's only if you pull it, the train does stop. Paramedics security come out and we're on hold for a long time. Don't pull that cable unless you have an actual medical emergency. Train's rolling. Howdy, y'all.
Howdy, y'all.
That was pretty good. Let's see if we can make it better. How about Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
That's real good. Y'all, this is Conductor Jerry Dean. I'm on the very back of the train waving us out. That's Conductor JR. He's the long-haired
Look
conductor.
at us.
Right over there,
Yes.
next to him, that's Conductor John. He's the new face of advertisement promotion. And up front, there's Conductor Nick. He holds a flashlight really well. All right, y'all, welcome aboard the Frisco Silver Dollar Sing-Along Steam Train. How about y'all sing along to a Holly Jolly Christmas? And here's a little mood lighting to make this ride a little better.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. On the street. Say hello to friends you know. Everyone. Ho ho, you mistletoe. Awesome. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Ho ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Wait for you. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Holly jolly, and all aboard! Woohoo!
Yeehaw!